Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am really doing an experiment. So I have an 8x10 canvas. I am going to put some pillow paint down, and then I am going to do a flip cup of the Bloom Technique mixtures that I had some leftover paints, and I am ready to move on to different colors. So I just took them all and dumped them in this cup. I put the topper down on the bottom, and then I layered the colors on the top, and I'm just going to do a flip cup. So it was just the burgundy that I've been using, the navy blue I've been using. The two primary elements that I've just used was pink Anthrurium and the Caribbean Mist. So, and silver, it has silver in it. So we are just going to try it and then spin it and see what happens. So nothing good might happen. You just never know, but something awesome might happen. So let me just make sure the canvas is covered, because I really don't have enough paint to like do a normal flip cup if there wasn't something down on the canvas. So, all right, let's just flip it over. I'm going to give it a minute and I will be right back. All right, so I poked a hole in the bottom of the cup to help get some suction air going. All right, now let's see what, oh, inside the cup is really pretty. It's got all kinds of cell action in there. Hopefully, girl, my sinuses are acting up all of a sudden. I think something is blowing through. Oh, look at all that cell action right there. I'm gonna pop a couple bubbles that I see that are gonna be a problem. All right, let's just spin it and see what happens. I have no idea if this is going to be good or bad. Let's go back the other way. There's a lot of red in there. A lot of burgundy in that pink Anthrurium. Oh, those are so pretty. I hope they don't all go off the side. I almost feel like I want to tilt it, because if I keep spinning it, all that's going to go off. So let's tilt a bit, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I should just keep spinning. Yeah, okay. Let's just keep spinning. That's the experiment, how it spins out. So let's just do that. Oh, this thing is really squeaking now. Well, that's all opening up. Wow. Not crazy in love with it. But you know, it's an experiment. All right, let's spin a couple more times and then we're going to call it that. All right. Guys, I think I'm just going to leave that corner white. I don't know about this. I guess we'll just see how it develops. I don't even know if you guys are going to see this, because I don't know. We'll see. All right. Let me bring you in for some wet close-ups, and then we'll do dry results. here are the wet close-ups. Lower right corner, to upper right corner, over to the upper left. Those are some pretty cells. Interesting anyway. All right, down to the lower left corner. In the middle, it just doesn't have a whole lot going on. Just there it is. So we will see it in the morning and see how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and I will be right back. All right, here is the dried result for this Bloom Technique flip cup. So I actually really like it. It grew on me after it kind of settled, the paint settled, and look at that lacing. All those colors within colors. Yeah, this was a lot of fun. Completely different, which is good to do things different. Can't do it all the same all the time. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.